Today we'll be talking about our post-implementation review of Uline Inc.'s warehouse management system. Our team consists of myself, John Kuma, Jacob Perry, Kelly Smetana, Richard Weingartner, and Bashir Omar. A warehouse management system is a management information system that is used for processing orders in a warehouse from the time it was placed through every step up until it leaves the building. A WMS also assists a warehouse in inbound operations when inventory arrives at the warehouse ready to be put into stock. Not to be confused with the CRM system, the WMS only handles order processing information as well as inventory information needed to process orders. A separate CRM system stores customer information for Uline. The legacy system for Uline is AS400, which is a system designed by IBM. This system is losing technological support and will soon no longer be able to keep up with company growth. AS400 will still be in place for storing transaction data such as when the inventory was changed or who changed it. The inventory information stored in AS400 is communicated back and forth with the new WMS, which can allocate inventory and keep track of it in a real-time fashion. On AS400, every time something moved within the warehouse, it was recorded afterwards, which meant if someone moved inventory and placed it in a specific location, they had to record it on paper and someone had to put that into the system manually. With the new system, each user or employee can put inventory away and record it instantly with either a handheld unit or a vehicle-mounted unit.
The new system that Uline is implementing is called the Manhattan Warehouse Management System. Uline purchased the new system from Manhattan Associates, in which they chose to implement the on-premise option. This gave Uline the same benefits they desired at a discounted rate. The new system is also an extranet, which provides Uline faster updates as well as more scalability. Being that Uline needs 24-hour access to the system, the new system is running as high availability. Security is also an important aspect to any application or system that a company chooses to implement. As a result, Uline is choosing to implement a guard check-in and check-out, which ensures visibility within and outside the warehouse. In addition, Uline is implementing an intranet authentication. This requires staff within the warehouse to log in and log out when using the system. This ensures that the right people are using the system at all times. Any maintenance to the system will be provided by customer support from Uline as well as provided updates from Manhattan Associates. In terms of monitoring, Uline will track orders and transactions through logs and audit trails. Finally, Uline will be able to track inventory by utilizing QR labels, which are a highly customizable label that contains information and a passive GPS system to help track and monitor the physical location of all hardware components.
The expectations held from Manhattan Associates include software performance, modification of the software, implementation services, and ongoing maintenance and support. This is what the IT support team does to help things move slowly with the new system. Uline currently has a governance, risk, and compliance requirement. Some of these include project management meetings, steering committee meetings, implementation methodology, issue and defect tracking, project activities, status updates, release management, communication and change management, training, and software support calls. The first 3 sites Manhattan Associates assisted with implementation. After that, Uline's team was handling the implementation in the remaining locations. Once the system was actually implemented on site, the implementation team spends approximately 4 to 6 weeks running an end-user test to verify all necessary functions work as they should. After the majority of testing was completed, training began for all warehouse staff, and then once the training was complete and the system was fully tested and operational, the cutover was initiated.
The supply chain has changed dramatically over the past years. As such, it is becoming harder for many businesses to keep up with the new changes. However, one way to get ahead of this constantly changing landscape is by using an effective warehouse management system. As part of our team's project, we did a thorough and careful assessment of Uline Inc.'s new warehouse management system software. The software does provide economic benefits. The system determines the most effective use of both labor and space. The software also helps to determine where to keep certain materials, products, and equipment to optimize the flow of the warehouse. There are also transaction execution benefits, which include improved accuracy, timeliness, and overall output of customer orders throughout the fulfillment process. Customer service also has gotten better since the implementation of the new system. This new system that Uline is implementing has improved customer satisfaction. Customer orders are processed faster, and customers also have more of an ability to track their order. The benefits that come with the new WMS system greatly outweigh the cost. The main justification for a project of this size is inventory error percentage. Since the new system has been implemented at the company distribution center, the error percentage on the receiving side, aka wrong product sent to the warehouse, product put in wrong location, etc., has gone down tremendously. Throughout the system, there are certain security measures in place to protect information. For example, out of the two main system environments, the RF guns and the user interfaces environment times out after 1 hour of non-use. In addition, both environments require specific user logins and extensive passwords. The system also has different levels of access on a user-by-user basis, further preventing any wrongdoing in the system. After the intensive review of the system, our team believed there was not many issues beyond basic system settings and configuration. However, we recommend that management keep an eye on the product weights and measurements control system by tracking the issue log to make sure any abnormality is corrected quickly. We also recommended cross-training as part of the system's continued improvement process. Throughout this post-implementation review, we did have a few main sources for information. Within the company, John Elliott, Vice President of Operations at Uline, gave us some crucial information about the technological environment of the system. We also had sources within the company that worked directly with warehouse staff that saw the implementation firsthand. We also used public information from Uline's website, their Uline public phone number, and databases on warehouse systems.
Upon completing this assignment, we learned a few key lessons. First of which being, it's very important to complete assignments and hold meetings in a timely manner, because this allows time for making the necessary edits and corrections to the assignment. Also, information systems are very useful tools, such as the discussion board and one text messaging and OneDrive documents allow us to mainstream the process and make everything run more smoothly, especially in an online course like this one. One of the biggest benefits of being in a group was the ability to brainstorm ideas, and this included having an open mind to listen to group members' ideas, because oftentimes that generated our best ideas. And also, dividing the work evenly amongst a group makes everyone's lives easier, because a seemingly large task will seem significantly smaller when it's divided into 6 parts, which really helped us move smoothly through this project.